Okay, guys, hi. Today we're gonna be doing a squishy haul with me. With three squishies. Three fingers are working right now. I'm gonna show you. You can probably already see this one from the I think I was the top of the camera. It's giant cheese, good texture. Glitter dumpling. Kinda don't like the texture. This texture, but too small for me. And then guess what color? Kinda could already see. Guess filling. 3, 2, 1. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Orly. So that's all my fishies, fidgets. Bye. But guys, sorry. This guy does not have a face.